Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to add multiple rows in Google Sheets. So here I have a simple data and I want to add a multiple rows into it. For example, I want to add multiple rows in between row A3 and A4 like this. So what you need to do is you can just block or select. For example, I want to add 5 rows, so until here you can just select like this and then right click on the rows and you'll find the option insert 5 rows above. Click on that. Yeah, just like that, multiple rows has been created in between this row and this row. Okay, so that's how to add multiple rows in Google Sheets. It's so easy and I think you can follow it right away. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.